Hello and welcome to the Weekend Investing Daily Byte. We are shooting this episode on 6th of July, and yet another day where the Nifty makes a new high. We've reached 19,500 levels very quickly from 18,600 just about a week back and 16,700 just a few months ago. So, extremely fast paced action, a bit overbought for sure, but very sure shot and strong looking market despite the five gaps that we saw in the last 7 days, with only one of them getting filled. And today, after 2 days of taking rest, market has taken another leap. So all this points to extreme strength in the Nifty, and the rotation of sectors is very evident today. The sector in focus was autos, energy, and power stocks. So, oil and gas, you can say Reliance, ONGC, Coal India, BPCL, all up. Power Grid, NTPC, all up, along with L&T, Tata Motors, and Mahindra is in the automotive space. ITC, along with Maruti, Infosys, HDFC Life, Bajaj Finance were a bit muted today. But as I mentioned, this is a somewhat like a sector rotation that is happening, but the Nifty is continuously moving upwards. In terms of sectoral overview, real estate doing 2.3% up. So now real estate sector is over the last 3 months up 33%. Top gainer of all sectors that we're tracking here, 26% in last 12 months. Energy sector, as I mentioned, up 2.2%. Public sector enterprise up 1.8%. Infra, autos, commodities up more than 1%. PSU banking, pharma consumption, metals also doing between 0.5% and 1%. Only FMCG and IT sector were the two which were taking rest today. Overall, an extremely good week in the last five sessions. All green here. In the last month, all green. In the last 3 months, all green. So this is a dream run that is happening where across sectors, across periodicity, we are seeing green here. And Nifty mid cap up another about 300 points today, 36,370 odd. Small caps up another 100 points at 10,800. Nifty Bank, a pretty reassuring move, although still within the long candle that we saw on Tuesday, but a good expiry day at 45,340. Maruti is one stock that I want to focus on today. Maruti has had a fantastic last 15 years, rather 18 years of chart, of which the first 13 odd years leading to 2008 were reasonably steady with only one major blip in 2008 here. But since 2018 January, when it hit the 10,000 mark, it has languished since then. In fact, in COVID downtrend, it reached almost 4,000 levels. So 60% of a drop from January 2018 to March 2020. And from 4,000, it has now retraced back to near 10,000 in the last 2.5 years. So phenomenal run coming back again. We've bounced at this resistance level four times now at around 10,000. And as they say, if you keep knocking at a particular resistance, it will break down. There is some sort of a roundedness to this pattern also, and a somewhat a crooked inverted head and shoulders also. All put together, the technical chart looks like that this is ready to break out into much higher ground. On a zoomed basis, if you see this, then we've broken out yesterday on decent volumes. Today was a sort of a retest day. We are still above 9,800, which is the sort of breakout level here. I think you can keep a stops below this 9,650 or 9,700 and try to go long here. I think it will cross 10,000 in days to come and go towards 10,500 here. So this is one stock that is looking good in terms of how the rest of the sector is also performing. Also, Maruti has launched a new car yesterday, and they've got great amounts of bookings on day one itself, which is far beyond what they were expecting. They've released their first Latin America export order for the Maruti Franc. So, some really good news that is coming through for this company, and this stock is looks like can go through this motion of going past 10,000. So, good luck if you are holding Maruti, and you could set up your trade according to these measures. This is all I have for today's session. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Do like and subscribe to it if you like the content. Do share it with your friends, and do send us your comments if you would like to see something more, or if you don't like something on this channel that you would like to change. Thank you so much. Bye. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.